Congratulations on completing 30 days of SQL learning. You now understand queries, filters, joins, functions, and concepts. But real confidence in SQL comes from applying it to real systems. That's why from day 31 to day 40, we move into complete SQL case studies. You will work with real world scenarios like e commerce sales, hospital management, banking systems, inventory, airlines, retail stores, hotels, and universities. Each case study will teach you how to think like a database professional, designing tables, writing meaningful queries, and solving real business problems. This final 10-day journey will transform your SQL knowledge into real world skill. By day 40, you will not just know SQL, you will be ready to use it with confidence. Let us begin the final chapter of your SQL mastery. Welcome to day 35. Today, we will work on an inventory management system case study. We will apply SQL concepts to manage products, suppliers, stock, and orders. Our inventory database has 4 tables: products, suppliers, stock, and orders. Together, they track product details, supplier information, stock levels, and orders. This query joins products, orders, and suppliers to show which supplier provided which product and in what quantity. Aggregations let us analyze stock levels. This query sums product quantities grouped by category. Having filters groups after aggregation. This query shows categories with stock levels below 100, useful for restocking alerts. Window functions let us rank products by order volume. This query calculates total orders per product and assigns ranks. We can save queries as views. This view lists products with stock levels below 50, helping managers track low inventory. Transactions ensure consistency. For example, when reducing stock and recording an order, both operations must succeed together. Here are some mini challenges. Find the top 5 products by order volume. Show categories with average stock below 200. Create a view for out of stock products and write a transaction for restocking. Your assignment: build an inventory dataset with products, suppliers, stock, and orders. Write queries to join tables, aggregate stock, rank products, create views, and use transactions for restocking. To summarize, today you applied joins, aggregations, having, window functions, views, and transactions in an inventory management system case study. Tomorrow, we will work on an airline reservation system case study.